No cursed energy, no special powers, just pure, unadulterated physical dominance. Toji Fushiguro isn't just a threat in the Jujutsu Kaisen universe. He's the absolute peak of human physical conditioning. When you look at Toji, you're looking at the ultimate V-taper, massive shoulders, a wide, sweeping back, and a waist so tight it looks carved out of stone. It's the physique of a predator. But can you actually build a body like the Sorcerer Killer in real life? The short answer is yes. The long answer, it's going to take brutal consistency, mastering your body weight, and dialing in your nutrition. Let's break down the exact blueprint to build the Toji physique. Toji doesn't look like a bulky, slow bodybuilder. He looks like an elite gymnast crossed with a martial artist. To achieve this, we cannot just rely on standard gym machines. We need to focus on heavy, explosive movements that build functional, dense muscle. Here is the holy trinity of the Toji physique. Bolder shoulders to make your waist look smaller. Your shoulders need to be incredibly wide. Wings for lats. His back is his most defining feature. A shredded core, functional strength that ties the upper and lower body together. Let's get into the training. To build this functional, dense muscle, we are combining high-level calisthenics with targeted weighted exercises. Workout the demon back and biceps. Toji's pulling power is insane. To build those lats, you need to master the pull-up bar. Weighted pull-ups, for sets of 5 to 8 reps. This is non-negotiable. Add weight as soon as you can do 10 clean body weight reps. Muscle-ups, 3 sets to failure. This builds explosive pulling power and hits the upper body in a way standard weights can't. Barbell rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Go heavy, keep your back straight, and pull to your belly button. Workout B, shoulders of a killer and chest. Handstand push-ups or pike push-ups, for sets of 6 to 10 reps. Nothing builds dense, strong shoulders like pressing your entire body weight upside down. Lateral raises, for sets of 12 to 15 reps. Use dumbbells. This isolates the side delts to give you that 3D, wide look. Weighted dips, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Leaning forward slightly to target the lower chest and front delts. Workout C, the core and legs. Toji moves fast. His core isn't just for show. It's armor. L-sits, 3 sets. Hold for maximum time. Dragon flags, 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Pistol squats and explosive lunges, for sets each. You need legs that can move explosively, not just squat heavy weights slowly. You can train like a beast, but if you don't feed the machine, you will never look like Toji. He has an incredibly low body fat percentage, likely around 8 to 10%. To get there, you need to be in a slight caloric deficit if you have fat to lose, or a lean bulk if you are skinny. But the most critical biological factor here is protein. Muscle tissue is built from amino acids. If you are tearing down your muscles with weighted pull-ups and handstands, you need to rebuild them. Aim for roughly 1.622 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight every single day. Stick to whole foods, lean meats, eggs, fish, and proper hydration. Building a physique like Toji Fushiguro isn't a 30-day challenge. It's a complete reshaping of your physical limits. It requires the discipline to hit the bar every week, push through the weighted sets, and eat for performance. You don't need cursed energy. You just need the work ethic. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more cinematic fitness guides, and let me know in the comments which anime physique we should break down next. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.